Hi, this is Lee from Jiatai Laser, ready to see precision in action. Right behind me is our laser cutting machine we are gonna send overseas.
This machine is equipped with Boci 710 and the laser power is of up to 12,000 watts.
And here we can see is our operating system. Let's measure the machine. As we can see here, the width is about 2.3 meters. And here the length is about 5.45 meters. Then let's measure the rest of the machine. The length of it is about 3.65 meters. Its compact hollow back design allows for easy transportation and high-power tests. Then let's watch as the machine demonstrates its performance. This is the cutting tool we just cut. Any questions? Please feel free to contact us.